Hi, my name is Scott Pieper. I'm the CEO of Mobilization Funding. Today we're going to talk about work in progress financing. So what is it? Well, work in progress financing is nothing more than getting some cash to help you execute on work or projects that you already have or purchase orders. We've all been there before. You got a backlog of work. Everybody wants you to start it, or you could execute it at whatever pace you want or faster, but there's a problem. You either are lacking the employee or talent resources to do it. You're just too busy, you don't have the right infrastructure to manage it. Or you have plenty of infrastructure and plenty of capacity, but you don't have the cash that's needed to really get raw materials in, or pay for the extra labor, hire the third shift, the extra crew, whatever it may be for you and your business. So what work in progress financing is really, it's nothing more than that working capital you need to execute your way through certain contracts or certain purchase orders or opportunities. If you're in the manufacturing space, for example, there's really two reasons you might get into work in progress financing. You either are trying to get yourself out of a hole, which maybe was caused by a problem, more likely a customer is just slow paying you, or your company is growing too fast, or not too fast, but growing very fast, and you're just getting more work from all your hard efforts, which is great. I'll tell you a story. Pretend you're a salad dressing company, for example, and you've been working hard to get in all the major retailers, and maybe you're in 3 or 4 of them today, and then all of a sudden, the 5th and the largest one comes about, and you've built your manufacturing line, and you're ready to go, and you can start the next shift easily, but you know what? They need to get your dressing into all of those hospitals, and the first large order is twice your normal monthly volume just for that. What are you going to do? Well, you got to go to your suppliers, you got to pay for all those raw materials, and you don't have the cash to do that. So you try to limp your way into it, and you end up not being able to meet the certain specifications. Well, work in progress financing can help you deliver. Buy all those raw materials up front. Get your olive oil, get your vinegar, get your spices, your lemon juices, and whatever else may go into that. Buy all that from your suppliers. Get it into your warehouse and let your team put it together so you can fill those orders. That's work in progress financing. If you're in the construction end, more work in progress financing is just how do you get from one pay app to the next each month in your progress billing. Same things, labor, equipment, materials. You want to meet the schedule. You want to get ahead of schedule. You want to do it as fast and efficiently as possible. Work in progress financing can help you when you need cash to help you fix that problem. Why does work in progress financing even exist? Well, imagine if all of your customers paid you 50% up front for all the work they gave you. That'd be a great life, right? Nobody has that. And if you do, enjoy it because it's a gift. It's a unicorn. If everyone paid you 50% up front and 50% when you were done, you wouldn't need any work in progress financing. You could grow as fast as you want and you'd be in great shape. So if you don't have 50% up front from all your customers, work in progress financing is probably a good option for you and something to look into. I hope this helped. Have a great day. Take care.